friends, welcome back to my channel for another Christmas video. Thank you so much for being here, or if you are new, hello, welcome. We're doing all things Christmas in today's video, starting with decorating our front porch. We are also going to decorate my little niece and nephew's Christmas tree in their room, do some cooking, and also a little Christmas DIY. So we're packing it all into this little short video, but I really wanted to capture these moments because a lot of these are very special memories for me to remember. For our front porch, I didn't go all out. I usually don't do anything too crazy for Christmas time, but I did want to add a little pop of Christmas. We are going to use some fishing wire, and we are going to put this onto the back of our outdoor pillows that we have on our rocking chairs. Last year I didn't do this, and we were chasing around pillows all season because it is so windy here in Colorado. So once my husband gets that attached, I'm just going to take that outside and some zip ties and just attach that to the back of the rocking chair. These have been on for a few weeks now, and they have held on really great. We even had a really bad windstorm, so if you are somewhere that is super windy, I highly recommend doing this because I love the look of pillows on these rocking chairs, but again, I don't want to be chasing down the road for them with all the wind.
I bought a tree. Can dress together.
One of my sweet friends got me these lighted Christmas trees on Black Friday for a screamin' deal. I believe it was $55 for these two trees, a light up garland and a light up wreath. You will see the garland here in a second, but I just transferred them into these pots where I had my ferns over the summertime. Kind of sad to see my ferns go, but I can officially say that I did not kill my ferns this year. They actually thrived, which I was very happy with. So we are just going to use some nails to put this up around our door. Our door frame is obviously wood, so Curtis just took some nails, hammered them in, and that's how we secured this garland.
Christmas, oh, Christmas, girl, why don't we now?
I did change out the tree to the left, as you can probably see, but that is going to complete the front porch area. I did also make this really pretty wreath just yesterday. It is a real live wreath, and I couldn't be happier with the way that it turned out. So I would love to hear what you guys think of our front porch area in the comments down below.
The holidays should be all about love. Mulled wine by the fireplace with the one you're dreaming of. Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we make your Christmas my Christmas, our Christmas? Why don't we now?
Now heading down to my little niece and nephew's room, we are going to set up their tree. They were very excited to have this 5-foot tree in their room. They've always had smaller trees, so we had a lot of fun decorating this. I do apologize for my ISO setting on my camera. I need to figure that out and just lock it into a certain ISO when I'm doing a time lapse because this is just obnoxious with how often the lighting changes, so I apologize. But I absolutely love making these memories with these sweet kiddos. They are my absolute world, and it is one of my favorite traditions that we do every single year. They are actually going to come over this next weekend, and we're going to pick out some ornaments so that they can add them to the tree. We usually try to go out and get a new ornament every single year. I know this video isn't like my typical decorate with me's, but if nonetheless I just want it for my memories, it just means the absolute world to me, and I really enjoy spending time, like I said, with the kids. I also did hang out with my mom in this video, so I did include that. We're gonna bake and do a DIY together. We had a nice mother-daughter day. So like I said, this video is just special to me because it is what the holidays are about, spending time with your family and loved ones. Now we are going to move on to some baking. Me and my mom made these really yummy Santa cookies. I found the recipe on Pinterest, of course. You make these cookies with cake mix, and it is seriously the easiest recipe I have ever done for cookies. I will leave the recipe in the description box down below for you. Definitely try them out and let me know what you think. They come out so fluffy and perfect, and it was a total success. I took them into my work and everyone loved them, so I'm definitely going to make them again for my coworkers and give them to some of my friends. Maybe me and my niece and nephew will make them when they come over this next weekend, but super simple and easy, and they turned out so yummy. Me and my mom really love Christmas time, so we always try to get together and do some baking and DIY stuff like that. So that is what we did today. We're going to be watching a Netflix movie with Lindsay Lohan. It's her new Christmas movie, Falling for Christmas. You guys will have to let me know in the comments down below if you have watched it and what you thought of it.
Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep.
As you can see, when I took them out of the oven, they came out so fluffy and amazing. Here in Colorado, we always get cow pies for our cookies because of the altitude, and when these came out and stayed fluffy, it made my heart happy, which is so silly. But after we get cookies done, we're going to start with this DIY. We're going to be doing this design with a little truck, printing it out on my Cricut on some heat transfer vinyl, and then we're going to be using my Cricut heat press to transfer it onto some shirts. Here we are starting the movie, and then we are going to do the daunting process of weeding out every single one of the vinyl pieces that we did. We made these for my mom's sisters so that she could send them out to them for a Christmas present, and this took forever, but the shirts turned out so cute.
There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby.
Once I finish heat pressing this shirt, that is going to complete today's video. Let me know what you think of the shirts in the comments down below. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I know, like I said, it's not my typical decorate with me's, but this Christmas season is about hanging out with your loved ones and making memories. So if you haven't already, make sure to do that with one of your friends or close family members and just hang out and have some Christmas fun. Thank you so much for being here as always, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.